Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm just going to be showing you how you can change a user's theme in cPanel or WHM. So by default you should be faced with a theme that looks something like this. There are different styles for the theme, so let's go into that and so say for example you want them to use a crimson snake, or smoke, sorry. Let's go back to that. You can see this is what it looks like, it's red, blah blah blah. But if you didn't know this already, there's actually another theme you can use. So because this privilege is allowed for this user, they're actually able to change the theme, and there's a new one which has come out, which is only in one of the most recent releases, called Paper Lantern, and it looks really nice. I'm not sure if you've seen this, but if you haven't, it's definitely worth checking out. But what you can actually do is, if the user doesn't have access to this because they're not a reseller or you haven't given them permission to, then don't worry, you can actually do it manually for a user. So when you create a new account, you have the option for them to choose a different theme. So the default one is X3, which is the original one we looked at, which in my opinion looks a bit poo. And it's the same for mail as well. But the Paper Lantern one is the really nice one. So if you're creating a new account, you can just select that and then it'll create the account so it has this kind of theme. But if you already have an account, you can do it quite easily. So let's see if I can find the right link. I think it's modify an account, yeah. So if we go to modify an account, we can click the account we want to do, and we can actually change the theme somewhere in here. There we are. So we can change the theme here. And there's also another way of doing it as well, so it's automatically applied for all users. So if you give us a sec, I'll just find out where that is. Right, so I've managed to remember where I've put it. So if you go back to the home section and go to server configuration, and then go to basic cPanel and WHM setup. So if you do that and then scroll down, there's actually the option to change the default theme. So this is for when you create an account, add packages, blah 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 blah. So here it is. We can just click the drop down box and click Paper Lantern, and it's the same thing for webmail. You can do the same thing there, but for webmail you don't have that option, so you don't really want to go change anything there. But so there we have it. We can now covered a couple of the different ways you can change your theme in cPanel. I think there is also an option in the terminal for it, but we're not going to go dabbling into that as of yet. So I hope you found this tutorial useful, and maybe you'll continue to use that Paper Lantern theme, which does look quite nice. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and if you've got any other questions or if something else you'd like to see, then please feel free to comment it in the comments below or on the forum, and I'll make sure to give you a shout and show you that video. So thanks for watching, and see you everyone, bye!